Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So we're back with SB19 again because why not? First of all, so before I start the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So I really miss them. It's been months of me not reacting to SB19 or even Binny. So today SB19 is gonna happen on my channel again. I believe I haven't watched this one.
Pamay na lang po. Mine, black stripes. Mine, black
I think
stripes.
I watched this one
Meron po
already.
tayong code dyan na Stel Kalakal to get 50% off. Mamaya.
They didn't close the
Ano pa
door. I
mga
just
tanong?
know it.
Yung narinig namin yung ihi ni Justin. Oh, lakas!
The red hair. May puppy sila si sir. This is the kind of love where you will know he's enjoying the time of his life.
Oy, lumab.
Isang ano, get out.
Get out.
What happened? That was a hard hit in the head. Is he okay?
Thing like communicating. Yeah, it's just like the world domination. Shut up. I think James is very trustable.
Trustable.
I have this incident where
This is my fave. I will never forget this one. This is a core memory for me. Stay. And then Justin made it worse. And then Ken made it worse for Josh. And then Pablo.
Ano ka kadalas mag-ano?
Mag-ano?
Uminom ng tubig.
All of them got
Kasi
nervous.
marami pong madalas kong inaano eh. Maglinis ng bahay, maghugas. Madalas ako maglaba. Pero uminom ng tubig, everyday po.
Cheerful guy.
Ilan araw sa araw? Ilang araw sa ilang day?
Kadalasan kasi every night ako talaga, every night ko tinotodo eh. Every night ko tinotodo, yung pag-inom ng
Hanggang
water.
madaling araw?
Oo, kasi pag bago ka
yourself
matulog,
every night.
dapat hydrated ka eh. So sa gabi, tinotodo ko talaga.
Mag-ano no? Mag-ano?
Mag-inom ng water.
Ah, thanks.
Gusto pa nga yung baso ko eh.
Minsan sabay tayo.
Minsan nga dalawang kamay po gamit ko eh. Kasi malaki po yung baso ko ganun.
Well, with your question, after watching this video, I'm not sure. Not sure. Oh my gosh. Give him his crown. Guys.
Pablo, okay lang? Okay ka naman? Okay naman. Saktan ka dun. Alam ko. It's okay. You don't need to cry. Ganyan talaga si Julie tsaka si Stel. Sinasabi ko yun, yung dalawang coach na yan, kahit na magsalita si Jules, okay lang yan. This is what I feel every day. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Pero it's okay. Uy, talaga umiiyak.
He's a good actor, I guess.
Pasko na! Pasko na! Tayo na magkaisa! Pasko na! Pasko na! Simula na! Saya! 1, 2, 3! 1, 6, 7, 8! Boom!
I put a swing point on the billboard. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom! Tarat-tarat! Boom! Tarat-tarat!
Oh no.
Wait lang.
The morning hair. Oh, his eyebrows though.
Ken, can you give me a boom, stack, boom, boom? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, stack, boom, boom. Eh.
Hey Pablo, can you give me a pak pak boom boom pak boom boom? Pak pak boom boom pak boom boom boom.
5, 6, 7, 8. Pak, pak, boom, boom, pak, boom, boom, boom.
Justin, give me a spaghetti pak pak brrr boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spaghetti pak pak brrr boom.
Pak, pak, really.
Joy, can you give me a hui hui kalak 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 boom? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hui hui kalak 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 boom.
Stel, can you give me... Ano sa ba?
Can you please ayusin mo?
Stel, can you give me a...
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Stel, can you give me a... Ow! Bug, bug, ching! Okay, 6, 7, 8. Ow! Ow! Bug, bug, ching!
Hey. So smooth. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one because I did. I feel like I have watched this video already, but this is actually refreshing for me to watch it again. I had a great time. It was so fun. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.